effective in a couple weeks on August 15, 2024. It says Amazon is updating its bullet point requirements. All right. So we announced this a long time ago, actually, where it was for hardline. Now it says here that the main points is restriction of special characters, emojis, and some phrases such as refund related guarantees. All right. Now, here's the thing. They're going to use AI to help optimize listing quality. They're going to remove non-compliant content and use AI to generate compliant, high quality bullet points. Supposedly they're going to share these with you for review before published. But again, this is kind of like something like before we talked about how Amazon has image requirements. We're going to talk about that later. And then if you're not meeting the requirements, Amazon could go in there and change your images. They can go in there and change your title. And then you're kind of stuck with that. And then you have to include at least 3 bullet points. As far as character limit, it says, hey, use more than 10 characters, but less than 255 characters.